Yes.
My request is for a circulation of two civil applications. It pertains to the TET 1 examination where
3 મે આવે છે હવે.
it has been adjourned to 15th of June. Probably that is why the CA is not circulated by the registry. The difficulty is on 1st of April, they publish the notification. The forms are to be filled in from 15 to 23 milers. As because of there is discrepancies of almost 20 questions, we could not clear the examination and we will not be in a position to apply for. That is the civil application. My request is.
But then, don't you think that it's altogether a different subject? If questions are, if it is related to some questions, that is not the subject matter of main petition. You file Miss Upadhyay, you may file a substantive petition, right? I'll grant you circulation.
Well, as for the timing, civil applications are all. That is the subsequent development.
What is I understand, but what is the prayer in the main matter?
Well, is that because of the wrong answer key, we were not in a position to clear the benchmark. In that circumstance, we will not
be. The main matter also, what was under challenge was questions,
and because of the wrong answers, we are not.
Wait, if registry doesn't circulate it by next week, you may mention the matter on Tuesday.
Well, the matters have been adjourned to 15 June. Probably they will tag my CA with the main matter, and that is how it is not coming up.
You can convince the registry that, see, look at the prayer. Now the exams are held on XYZ date. If despite that registry doesn't grant you permission to circulate, you may mention the matter on Wednesday next.
That is from 15. May I request that if it is not circular, may I take my chance on 30?
Yes, you may. Right?
If does not,
picture would be clear by 13.
Because the forms are to be filled from.
See, I can't stop any learned advocate from mentioning. But every time directing the registry to circulate doesn't look good. So you try to convince it. It's not that they are absolutely rigid. Looking to the urgency, I have seen them circulating the matter. So try to convince them. If you fail, you are always welcome.
Very good. I'll take my chance.
Yes, Mr. Lamba.